Welcome to this Legrand tutorial on setting up your Bticino Classe100X video intercom kit. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of configuring your video intercom system in the Home Plus security app. Locate the joystick on the right-hand side of the internal unit. This joystick can be pressed and used to scroll. Press the joystick to turn on the display of the internal unit. The screen will prompt you to download the Home Plus security app. It's good practice to switch your device to airplane mode before proceeding. Proceed to open the Home Plus security app on your mobile device and select Bticino from the list of brands, and then select your product. A pop-up will notify you to enable camera access, and then the app will prompt you to navigate the internal unit as will be demonstrated. Using the joystick, navigate to and select the settings icon, followed by the Wi-Fi icon. After a brief moment, the monitor will display a QR code. Scan the QR code with your mobile device and select your Wi-Fi network. Follow the prompts on the app to set up your home and name your product. You've now successfully set up your Bticino video kit to your Home Plus security app. Enjoy enhanced security and convenience with your Bticino video kit.